How to create new disk partition in Windows 11. In this video I'm going to show you how to do it, and if you find it useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Now the first step that you need to do is to go to your taskbar at the bottom here, then right click on the Windows icon, then go to disk management. Then this window will pop up on your screen. So as you can see, this is the partition that I want to create a new partition from. Now if I go to my file explorer, you will see that this is the partition that I want to create a new partition from. So I will go to new volume G. So I will come to this partition, new volume G, right click on it, then click on shrink volume. Then as you can see, it has already finished to query. So we are going to enter here the amount of space to shrink. Now as you can see here, the size available shrink space in MBs. So this is the size available. So if you have a large size available, you can shrink large size. But for me, as you can see, this is the only size available. So I'm just going to click on shrink. So this is going to take a little bit of time. So you are just going to give it time to finish shrinking. So as you can see, guys, it has already shrinked, and this is an allocated space. So because we want to use this disk, we are going to assign it a letter. So in order to assign it a letter, you are going to right click on it, then click on new simple volume, then click next, then next, then next, then click on next, then finish. So as you can see, it is creating a new volume, volume D. So it will automatically open the volume here on File Explorer. So if you go to this PC, you'll be able to see the volume is here, new volume created. That's how you can easily create disk partition in Windows 11 or Windows 10. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.